how are you?
Good. How are yourself?
I'm great. Can I help you with anything?
Yeah. Well, one, you're smoking weed in public.
Okay.
All right. And two, let me see your ID.
I don't have any. Is it not okay to smoke weed in public?
No.
Well, here, there's a trash can. I'll be happy to pull it out.
No, just hang out right over here.
Okay.
Okay. You have no forms of identification?
No, sir.
Let me just see.
That's my phone and hotel key.
Okay, where are you from?
Key West.
What's your first name, sir?
Brent.
With my fan pen. I have to just text it real quick.
Are you in some kind of hurry? I feel like I'm being held up here. I'm trying to.
Well, you are detained because you were you went into a store. Okay, and apparently you didn't pay for.
I couldn't understand what he was saying. Honestly, he's Asian. I speak English.
Okay.
He came out. He was saying something about paying or something. So I was real confused about why he was there. I just said, go back to your shop, man. There's tourists coming in to see you.
Okay.
For God's way.
Yeah, but why'd you leave without paying?
Hey, well, I've already paid my entire debt to society. Why do I owe anybody anything?
Okay, just have a seat, Brent. Just have a seat on the ground.
I'm good right here. I don't see any reason why I need to.
It's a lawful order. Have a seat, Brent.
Under what law?
Okay, right now for theft. It's an investigation for theft. Okay, so I have a lawful command. Sit down. Now, before I put you down on the ground. Okay? You want to stare at me some more? Sit down.
Who are you talking to, boy? Don't you do it. I tell you, get your hands off of me. Get your do it. Pull out. Pull it out.
Let's come over on this
do
side.
it. Stop. You're done. You're done.
Don't walk away from me. Don't walk away. Taser, taser. Taser, one taser.
God, please help me. My Father, please help me, Father. I know you're here. You're pulling me to the right. I got you. I feel you, Lord. It's okay. I'm relaxing. I'm sorry, guys. I'm not.
Yeah,
resisting.
You are what you're saying.
I'm not resisting.
Let go, you are.
I'm not resisting.
All right.
I've completely submitted to you. I promise. I promise, God.
All right, just get the cuff on that one.
If you could release your pressure, it hurts.
It's gonna hurt because you stop resisting. Put your arm out behind you. There you go. Bring it behind you. There you go.
Thank you. I'm comfortable now.
What happened? He wasn't paying attention. He was listening.
He just took off.
Well, I tried to physically restrain him.
What's your
48?
Then he decided to walk away. Tased him. The first tasing didn't work, and neither did this.
49 Bravo.
Let's take off the.
Grab your taser. Get him out of the road.
Can you behave now?
Yes.
Okay, bring your knees up. We're gonna roll you so you can stand, okay?
Alright. Thank you so much for helping me. I didn't know who I was. I was walking.
27, what's the
Can you stand up? And I'm gonna walk you so you're not in the middle of the street, okay?
Just take a couple breaths.
Yeah, take a couple breaths.
My heart's really turned. It's the first time I've ever had to run like that. Or experience
But why? You didn't even need to.
Okay. I know.
There's no need for that.
I've lost
Were you gonna-
control of myself.
were you gonna put 'em on
and I
the side?
forgot who
Right.
I was.
Just drag them up. We'll put them over in the shade.
I'm sorry, can you please forgive me for everything I've done to
Okay,
you?
go ahead and stand up. We're gonna walk over here and sit down, okay? We're just gonna get out of the road.
I can't see without sunglasses. We got you. I need my
Just-
sunglasses.
We'll get them back for you.
Have a seat.
All right, we will.
I wear
Have a seat right
Go
here.
ahead and
Hat.
sit. Sit. Sit.
There you go.
Cross your feet. We'll let you run.
Thank you. Can you guys please forgive me for what I did?
No,
Well, you stole something and then you didn't want to listen to me. So no.
you made me bleed.
I'm sorry.
You're on a video taking.
And all the store people.
You don't need a lighter in a cigar.
I know.
It's not a need.
This is my first time on Earth, and I didn't know that. I was testing myself, and I was scared
Move my car out of the way.
of you guys. I thought I was doing something wrong back there, so I was confused, and I'm sorry for not listening to you. I will
Okay.
never not do what you say again.
Okay, well, just let's
I've
keep
learned
going
my
with
lesson.
that.
I've learned my lesson. I promise
Okay.
you never will see anything like that.
I hope not.
And now it's eternity. Please forgive me and accept my apology and know that I'm gonna.
Did you forgive him, Gus? You want to go get your thingy? Your puller? Go get your puller. Is that what it's saying? Yeah, oh, actually, where'd Scotty go?
Scotty just left.
No, he moved his car.
Where do you move the car to?
Out of the middle of the road. That's where it was, so other cars could get by. That's all.
Yeah, I'll just put those on.
Which way did he go to?
Oh, he's coming back. He just went to go park away from here.
So he's coming this way?
Yep, he'll be coming back. You can apologize to him too,
Tell him.
because he ran him over.
Will you please ask him that I'm trying to put him on walk to see my family so I can free them? And this whole wrong that I did, it's all my fault. They are very.
We're gonna take a look because you got a couple of
Please
some
forgive me.
taser shots there, buddy.
I'm not perfect. I do make mistakes, but there's things I can't unchange.
Where do your hits go? Just the back that didn't do anything?
Neither.
Just doing it so I can
There's
I'm
two
okay with
problems
the
there.
rest, but
There's
thank you
the
so
other
much.
one.
fix it.
I hit him twice.
All of
Yeah.
the problems are fixed.
Neither one.
You alright, buddy?
Healed. Leave the hospital. We're family.
Get an idea of this guy?
No idea.
Not
I was
yet.
getting his
You didn't have
information.
no idea.
He was giving it to me until I asked him to sit down.
Do you have a wallet on you or anything?
No
Do you carry any money at all?
No, that's
Is that why you're just taking stuff?
No, I don't.
But you did.
So it's a debt to my people. I'm part of the people.
Gotcha.
God told me they are paying my debt.
What's your name, bud?
Bob Mark.
What is it for real?
Brent.
Yeah, I drove down. I'm like, is he walking away? Is he tasing him? I'm like, is he still walking
What
through
is
the
going
taser?
on?
And then I had to pass him, and then I had to tackle him.
When I
Did
gave
you
him
get
a lawful
arrested before,
impound.
Brent?
I have been arrested, yes.
For what?
First time they told me it was for
Why don't we go through every time? The first time was for
second degree robbery or something like that. or
something like that.
Where was that?
Oh wow,
in
that's
Charleston.
Okay,
Charleston.
what's the second one?
I got picked up by the police because I was acting crazy in the street, and they took me to jail.
Yeah. When was this?
They didn't tell me a charge. They didn't ask me a question. They were asking for my ID, and I just went into this mode of.
Okay, what's the third time?
Like
I went into survival mode.
Right.
where In my survival school training, when we're being tortured, the only thing
Okay,
I'm
what's the
allowed
third
to say
time?
is my name, date,
What's the third
and
time? Third
social
one.
security number.
What was your third arrest?
This one right here.
Okay.
After a long torturous
Walking away from Gus after he got tased twice. So he's coming down the street. I get ahead of him in my car, and I just grab my pack.
Did you hit it on something or just the way you
Just the way it landed.
You
The
landed
way
weird
that he
on.
landed, the way he landed.
I feel fine, guys. Like I can really.
Oh, well, great. Glad you're okay. Appreciate that.
He's
I got
walking
good.
or is he running?
No, he was walking.
It was a weird jog. It's probably on my body cam.
Okay.
He's just like dance jogging in the street, away from Gus, ignoring everything.
Yeah. Okay.
And then he gets tased and he just throws his hands up and then just kept going.
What did he do? Oh, you'll see it. Body cam.
What did he do?
Right up in my face, squared up in my face, and
I'm still going.
said, "Do it, do it, do it. You're not gonna stop me," or whatever. I don't know what he said exactly. I have to watch it, but clenched fist.
So it's enough for assault on LEO?
Yeah.
So the charge will be assault LEO,
Resisting.
and then whatever else.
And the reason for the stop was for
Well, theft.
there was a theft. They only wanted a trespass warning.
Luce,
I'm not
what's
hurt.
up, Lucy? I'll talk to you
Going to
soon.
jail.
Just taking care of some stuff. Love you, girl.
Jackass.
Bitch, you better not talk to me like that. I'll beat you down.
That's helpful.
Awesome.
That's what some shit John Flash would say in a situation in combat. What's your name, man?
Yeah, we have something.
John Flash.
Sir, do you feel like you need to go to the hospital?
No, sir.
Okay.
I'm ready to
Well, you're back in there, Carrie. Your heart looks okay, all right? It's a little fast. You probably go a little adrenaline dumping, so it's normal.
Your blood pressure is going to be a little high because you're...
Adrenaline's
That's
up some.
Rastafari!
What? What's going on?
Did you take any substances? Just XR or regular? XR? 25 milligram, 30?
20, this the extended release.
Yeah, of course. But how many? Couple or one?
It says take 2 a day as required. No,
Okay,
no,
yeah.
it says 2,
20s is XR, just usually one is good for the morning and lasts for about 12 hours.
and that's what I do. I take
Okay,
2
good.
a day.
Just hold this arm nice and still, okay? I just want to make sure you're okay medical-wise. Your heart is okay. All right?
Do you see any manic symptoms?
No.
Do I appear insane? Maybe like in any world.
I mean, I don't know you, but
Some Mickey Mouse would say.
I mean that's a little crazy. But I'm not a psychologist.
That's right up to put me in a mental hospital.
But no physical force.
Not for me.
No tweaking or anything? Okay, so
No.
taser for the RI, tap for you. More like a double
He's tall. I didn't know it was a
He is
baby.
he is soft.
This guy.